everybody, John Peterson from jpetersonphotography.com, and tonight I'm putting out a quick little video on Luminar 2018. And as you know, I've been doing a series of these videos, and as I'm learning the software, I want to share what I learn and share some of the quick tips and easy shortcuts that I've been finding along the way. Tonight I want to talk a little bit about Workspaces. Workspaces is another way to edit your images. As you may know, if you've explored Luminar at all, there are some very one-click edits down here at the bottom of the screen with these categories. Then there's also a way to edit by adding filters. And then lastly, there is a thing called Workspaces. And really what Workspaces are nothing more than a collection of different filters based upon the type of, those filters that are most commonly used in the type of photography that you're processing. You can see here there's street, there's portrait, there's landscape, black and white, essentials, quick and awesome is always a great title, and then professional. And as you select one of these, here I selected quick and awesome, you can see that these filters have appeared. And it's only got these three filters. I can change to essentials, and my filter palette changes again to a develop module, accent, saturation, polarizing. Go back up and I can choose professional, and it's got a huge selection of filters to choose from. So based upon what type of image or what type of filters you like to use, you can choose one of these preset filter packages, is what I'd call them. What you can also do is create your own filter sets or workspaces. Here I've created one that I call Quick Landscape and one that I've called John's Portraits. And the way to do this is really selecting some filters that you use, let's say most commonly. I'm just grabbing a few here. I'll just kind of grab these three and say, ooh, these are the ones that I use all the time, and I want to save these in a custom workspace. So if I selected those and then I say save as new workspace, and then I just type in a name for it, hit save, and now you can see that it's been retitled to my demo. And you can see it now in my list of user-created workspaces. So that's a real simple, easy way to get those filters from this long list that Luminar offers. It's a great filter set that they offer, but sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming to remember what was that one filter that I tried, or what's that combination of filters that work really great in a sunset image. It's a really wonderful way to go to really get your workflow optimized and working extremely fast. The one thing I did want to touch on in the filter space is there are a couple filters that I have started to use in Luminar that I really like. Accent is a great one it's kind of a smart filter that looks at all the pixels and makes adjustments. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Golden hour is a great one that adds some warmth and some saturation into the image. But the one I've been playing around most with lately and kind of enamored with is this one called adjustable gradient. And what this tries to do is emulate using a graduated neutral density filter out in the field. And this filter gives you the ability to adjust the top of the image or the bottom of the image. So let's say I wanted to bring up the exposure just a hair on the top of the image. And then on the bottom, I could drop the exposure if I wanted to. I'll drop it all the way, and you can see that it's really affecting just the bottom of the image. And I've been finding this as a really great tool when either A, I didn't use a GND, or I didn't have enough neutral density to even out the exposure across the scene. So this is a wonderful little filter that I've been loving to use in this new tool. So that's it for tonight. I hope you're enjoying this series, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.